How to stop YouTube from saving every video you watched. This tutorial shows you how to turn off your watch history so videos no longer get tracked. First, open the YouTube app on your device. After that, tap on the U icon at the bottom right. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on Manage All History. In the next step, this takes you to your Google account's activity controls. Following this, look for YouTube history or web and app activity, depending on how it's grouped. Once done, tap on Turn Off or the toggle next to it. From here, YouTube will now stop saving any videos you watch going forward. At this stage, keep in mind this doesn't remove videos already saved to your history, only new ones from this point onward. Keep in mind, if you'd also like to clear your previous history, look for Delete Activity or Auto Delete within this same section and choose to delete everything up to now. Finally, exit back to your home screen once you've adjusted your watch history settings. And that's it. If this guide helped you stop YouTube from saving every video you watched, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.